Welcome! In this video, we are going to show you how to reset the Mi account on Xiaomi devices in Bootrom mode. As we can see, the phone is currently locked with a Mi account. We will now connect it in Bootrom mode using the correct button combination. Once the auto detection process is completed successfully, go to the Repair tab and click on Reset Mi account. When prompted to confirm, click OK to proceed and wait for the procedure to complete. After the phone boots up, you can go through the setup wizard and connect to Wi-Fi if needed. Based on our tests, after this process, you will be able to perform a factory reset and add your own account to the phone. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.